Mm. I'm Alexander Sturridge. I am on the right hand penguin duck birthmark. So also, what's the code of the twin feather? Is it mind output or is it a photo and a manufactured image? Two, what's the code of the daggers? Is it mind output or manufactured image? Is it the mind output code from the device in my brain? That's a one way to check as well. And I had the daggers when I was a little boy, not when I had Facebook or whatever. So don't fall for they're discussing some fake Facebook. Don't fall for a fake Facebook with images they stole from my mind output and then created photos with them and then put them. Because keep in mind, they're memories. Not so I don't remember the exact details of them. So if they show the mind outputs as photos in their fake Facebook, they're like, "Oh, we got it from Facebook," or whatever they do, or this other fake Facebook is they discuss. Uh, if they steal them from the mind output, and then you'll see them, and then you'll see the imperfections in them because they're from memory. Then if you get the exact replicas or find them and compare, you'll see they stole from the mind output and posted them in Facebook as opposed to it being a real image that they found on my Facebook or whatever bullshit they're peddling now. So, meaning if they're showing mind outputs and then posting them on Facebook and saying, oh, it was in his Facebook, but it's a mind output and it shows the imperfections from memory, that's how you know it wasn't a real image or a photo of the exact object because it has imperfections. If it was the exact object, it would be correct. It wouldn't be like a memory trying to recreate something that you've seen before. So if they post something on Facebook and it shows the imperfections, and you compare it to the actual exact replica or the exact thing, you'll see that they stole from the mind output and posted it there. And then you also need to check the code. Is the twin feather code? Is it a mind output code versus an image code? Or a mind output interceptor and then some sort of manipulation of the photo and different code from pure mind output. That's another thing. You get it? So if they were talking about some fake Facebook. So if they post some mind outputs in this fake Facebook, if it shows the imperfections, that's how you know it was a memory and a mind output because it was a photo. It would be correct, spot on. And if you get the exact replica of the twin feather, the exact replica of the little dagger, I don't know the name of it, the exact replica of the Uncle Henry. My Uncle Henry was pretty spot on. Kinda. I don't know these little circles right here. These ones. I don't know if those are correct. So that's how you know it's not a photo. I don't remember the exact. There's little circles in the little Uncle Henry where the screws are. I don't remember the exact configuration. So you could compare that to see a photo would have the exact configuration. The memory wouldn't have the exact configuration of the screws in the Uncle Henry. That was the name of the knife. It's called an Uncle Henry. I don't know. But that's a key point. So the screw configuration, if it was a photo, would be spot on. Or if I had it still and took a photo of it, it'd be 100%. From memory, trying to remember the exact configuration of the screws, there may be imperfection. So look for that too. Key point. So then the twin feather, the imperfections. If you had the exact photo or an exact object, and you look at the imperfections, then you know they took from the mind output and posted it somewhere. And if you compared it to a photo or the exact model, you'd see those imperfections. Or the daggers that I don't even have anymore. If you compared it to a photo or the exact model, you'd see those imperfections. Or the daggers that I don't even have anymore. If you could get the exact models of them and then compare them to the mind output, you could tell. But yeah, you could also just tell the code. If it's a mind output code, then it came from the mind. And if it's a photo, it would have a different code or made on a computer, etc. Keep going.